Red expressions. Red-handed.
Red-handed.
To catch someone doing something wrong.
The thief was caught red-handed stealing from the shop.
In the red.
In the red.
To owe money or be in debt.
After buying the new car, his account is in the red.
Paint the town red.
Paint the town red.
To celebrate and have fun.
They decided to paint the town red after their exams.
Red flag.
Red flag.
A warning sign.
Ignoring calls is a red flag in communication.
Like a red rag to a bull.
Like a red rag to a bull.
To make someone angry.
Criticizing her work is like a red rag to a bull.
Blue expressions. Feeling blue.
Feeling blue.
To feel sad.
She's feeling blue because she lost her job.
Out of the blue.
Out of the blue.
Something unexpected.
He called me out of the blue after years.
Once in a blue moon.
Once in a blue moon.
Rarely happens.
I eat fast food only once in a blue moon.
Blue collar.
Blue collar.
Workers who do physical jobs.
My uncle is a blue-collar worker at a factory.
True blue.
True blue.
Someone very loyal.
She's true blue and never betrays her friends.
Green expressions. Green with envy.
Green with envy.
Very jealous.
She was green with envy when she saw me with my new boyfriend.
The grass is greener.
The grass is greener.
Things look better somewhere else.
People often think the grass is greener on the other side.
Green thumb.
Green thumb.
Good at gardening.
My grandmother has a green thumb and grows great plants.
Green light.
Green light.
To approve something.
We got the green light to start the project.
Turn green.
Turn green.
To feel sick.
He turned green after eating something bad.
Yellow expressions. Yellow-bellied.
Yellow-bellied.
Someone who is afraid.
Don't be yellow-bellied, face your fears.
Yellow journalism.
Yellow journalism.
Untrue or exaggerated news.
That magazine is full of yellow journalism.
Black expressions. Black sheep.
Black sheep.
Someone who is different from the group.
He is the black sheep of the family because of his habits.
In the black.
In the black.
To have money or be profitable.
Her small shop is finally in the black.
Black and white.
Black and white.
Very clear or simple.
The solution to the equation was black and white.
Blackout.
Blackout.
To lose power or consciousness.
There was a blackout during the storm.
Blackmail.
Blackmail.
To threaten someone for money or favors.
The criminal tried to blackmail her with secret information.
White expressions. White lie.
White lie.
A small lie to avoid hurting someone.
I told a white lie about liking her cooking.
Raise a white flag.
Raise a white flag.
To surrender.
When the team was losing, they raised a white flag.
White elephant.
White elephant.
Something useless and expensive.
That big statue in the park is a white elephant.
Purple expressions. Born to the purple.
Born to the purple.
Born into royalty or privilege.
The prince was born to the purple.
Purple patch.
Purple patch.
A period of success or good luck.
The singer hit a purple patch in her career.
Pink expressions. Tickled pink.
Tickled pink.
Very happy or pleased.
She was tickled pink to receive the award.
In the pink.
In the pink.
To be in good health.
After a long rest, he's back in the pink.
Orange expressions. Orange alert.
Orange alert.
A warning or alarm, usually serious.
The city issued an orange alert due to heavy rain.
Squeeze the orange.
Squeeze the orange.
To extract the most out of something.
They squeezed the orange of their resources during the project.
Brown expressions. Brown bag.
Brown bag.
To bring your own food, usually lunch.
He brown bagged his lunch instead of eating out.
Brownie points.
Brownie points.
Rewards or praise for doing good.
She earned brownie points for helping her teacher.
Gray expressions. Gray area.
Gray area.
Something not clearly defined.
The rules about parking here are a gray area.
Gray matter.
Gray matter.
The brain or intelligence.
Use your gray matter to solve the problem.
Silver expressions. Silver spoon.
Silver spoon.
Born into wealth or privilege.
She was born with a silver spoon in her mouth.
Silver lining.
Silver lining.
A positive side to a bad situation.
The silver lining of the storm was that it filled our water tanks.
Gold expressions. Golden opportunity.
Golden opportunity.
A perfect chance.
This is a golden opportunity to showcase your talent.
Worth its weight in gold.
Worth its weight in gold.
Extremely valuable or important.
Her advice is worth its weight in gold.
Other colorful expressions. White as a ghost.
White as a ghost.
Extremely pale, often due to fear.
He was white as a ghost after the scary movie.
Black and blue.
Black and blue.
Covered in bruises or injuries.
After falling, his face was black and blue.
Golden handshake.
Golden handshake.
A generous payment given on retirement.
The CEO received a golden handshake on leaving the company.
Silver bullet.
Silver bullet.
A simple solution to a complex problem.
There's no silver bullet for fixing global warming.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun language lessons.